Hey everyone, today in this video we have the Eufy S1 Pro here and I'm going to show you how to change the solution. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, we got to go ahead and remove our clean water tank. And inside, tucked away right here, if you can see that, we have our Eufy solution. So we just gently pull it out towards us. It just pops right out like that. And then we can dispose of the old one and then take your new one and same thing. So their branding is going to be on the outside here. You just kind of tip it up and gently press it in. That's how you change and swap out the solution, your hard floor cleaner with the Eufy S1 Pro. Super simple and straightforward. Then go ahead, put your clean water tank back on and you're all set and ready to go.